Hi everyone, I'm Shannon with Andis Wines. I'm actually cooking in the comfort of my own home as we shelter in place here in California, and we thought we'd try something new today and share a recipe with you. It's our pumpkin sausage soup recipe. I chose it because I thought you may still be able to find most of these ingredients in your grocery store. So this basically is Italian sausage, canned pumpkin, canned coconut milk, and stock, and you can also use bouillon cubes for this. So what you do is you start by sauteing your sausage. You're gonna add some onions to that. Once the onions start to become a little bit translucent, you're gonna add some garlic. And this is about 1.5 cloves of fresh garlic. And don't worry, I'll add a link to the recipe so you'll have exactly what you're adding into the soup. So once you have sauteed everything and your onions are nice and translucent, you're gonna wanna add some chicken stock. That's your soup base. And then we're gonna add our canned pumpkin. You're gonna combine all of these ingredients together. Let it come back up to a simmer. Once it comes up to a simmer, you're gonna add your spices. So we're gonna add a bay leaf and a little bit of cinnamon. Once your spices are in, you're gonna let it all simmer for about 20 minutes. Once that 20 minutes is up, that's when you add your coconut milk. So this is my favorite part. It adds a little bit of sweetness to the savoriness of the pumpkin and the sausage. When you add the coconut milk, once again, you're gonna let it come back up to a simmer and simmer for about 5 minutes with the coconut milk in there. Once that's done, the soup is done and you're ready to ladle it up. Top it with something kind of salty and crunchy, walnuts, almonds, pepitas. And then I'm actually going to pair this soup with Andis Sauvignon Blanc. So join me as we sip together. Cheers.